If you enjoyed this video, come check out my school community Happy Gut Hub and like and subscribe for more. Good morning. Today I'm meal prepping for the week. Chicken mince cabbage rolls. So I've got cabbage, wombok cabbage, half, it's Chinese cabbage, mushrooms, fried shallots, carrots, pepper, chicken mince, and then I'm using actually the lemon and herb for a sauce. I'm not going to use much salt because I've already got the sauce, and just a bit of pepper. I'm going to blanch these first so I can prepare them, and I have a plate next to it as well. So what you've got to do is just blanch them for about a minute till they're soft. Mushroom carrot mix goes in, chicken mince goes in, shallots, just a few, pepper, lemon herb sauce goes in, just 2 tablespoons of that. Now we just incorporate it all. So I'll just take a spoon of the mixture, put it into here, like that, maybe a bit more, like that. And then I'll attempt to roll. And there's my first cabbage roll. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then it goes in to my steamer. Then I'm going to put it in here to steam. That's how they look on the plate. It's so pretty. And then I've got my steamer thing here with the holes as well. I'll show you. I've got double, so this one holds the plate, and then there's one that's got like holes underneath as well. This is how they turned out. Beautiful, and it's like cooked really well. And I'm bringing it for lunch. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Guessing and start healing. Information's great, but a plan tailored to your specific gut is better. I'm taking on new one-on-one clients at the moment. Click the link in the description to apply, and let's build the roadmap.